Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call employee update task API in the Angular application. So let's get started. Let's navigate to the VS Code. You can see here the dashboard component.html. After the div with the class task info, I'm going to add here the mat divider tag. After this, we have a div with the class actions. Inside this div, we have a edit icon where we have a functionality to open the menu with the two buttons, that is a in progress and the completed. As you can see, the edit icon button. After the edit icon, we have a tag that is a mat menu. We are opening this menu on the click of the edit icon. Inside this, we have a two buttons, that is a in progress and the completed. On this, we are calling the method from the dashboard component.ts, that is a update task. Inside the argument of this, we are passing here the task ID and the status, and we are calling this method on the click event. Let me copy the method name. Let's go to dashboard component.ts. Let me create this method after the get task function. So we have to get here the task ID, that is a type of a number. After this, we have a status, that is a type of a string. Let's go to dashboard component.scss, and here I'm going to add the CSS properties for the actions div. Let's go to employee service. Let me duplicate this method, and I'm going to update the method name like update status. In the argument, it will get an ID, that is a type of a number. And second, it will get a status, that is a type of a string. Let me update the path of the endpoint. So it will be a /API/employee/task/ID/status. So let me add here the backtick instead of the quotes ID. After the ID, we have a slash and the value of the status. Mapping it will be a get. Let's go to dashboard component.ts. Inside this method, I'm going to call the method from the employee service, that is a update task. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the ID and the status. Let's subscribe this, and I'm going to save the response into this variable, that is a res. Inside this, I'm going to add here the if condition where we have to check if the res.id not is equals to null. Then we have to show here the success notification, that is a task updated successfully. So inside the constructor, I'm going to inject here the snack bar from the mat snack bar. So it will be at this dot snack bar dot open. Inside this, we have to pass here the notification message, that is a task status updated successfully. After this, we have a button, that is a close. And we also have to define here the duration of the notification, that is a 5 seconds. Let me add here the else, where we have to show the notification with an error message. So let me paste inside the else block, and the error message over here, that is a getting error while updating task. Inside the if condition, I'm going to call the get employee task endpoint to get the updated record from the database. So it will be at this dot get tasks. Let's navigate to the browser. Let me open here the inspect. Let's go to the network tab, and I'm going to update the status of this task. So let me click on the edit icon. As you can see, the menu opened with the two buttons. First we have in progress, second we have completed. So I want to update the status from pending to in progress. As you can see, the notification we got, task updated successfully, and the changes are reflected here. Let me update the status of this task from in progress to completed. As you can see, the status got updated. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.